Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. Yesterday was the release of the RBA minutes for the September meeting. The main area discussed was the Australian dollar, iron prices, the balance of household debt and low inflation along with employment. However, the RBA appeared less upbeat on the strength of the Australian dollar from its statement. However, the market still, at this stage, is quite content in challenging this 80-cent handle, which seems to be now sounding like a broken record as we continually challenge and foul at this level. At the moment, I look for resistance at 80.35 and looking for a further down test towards 79.55. The market has found a bit of encouragement due to the fact that the US dollar is slightly weaker overnight, and with the euro rallying on, now looks towards 120.40 as a potential target. I expect to see the market possibly challenge there, but foul any further. As you can see, towards that 120.80 level was a strong level of a cap, and I do expect to see two reasons. Is that be the third attempt to foul, and also this support line is now resistance around that level of 120.40.80. So we should see supply to come back into the market. Tonight we have the FOMC meeting at 4 AM Sydney time, and also we have President Mario Draghi to speak later as well. So this could put some influence of a bearish euro and a bullish US dollar, and could see the move back towards 119.30 with a short-term base holding at 118.80. Surprisingly, the dollar yen did attempt that level at 85 and failed, and with a doji being in place, now looks for a retreat from there and look towards 110.85 or lower down towards 109.85.95 as a potential target. Overnight, the President Trump addressed the United Nations in New York and vowed to totally destroy North Korea unless it backs down from its weapons program, mocking Pyongyang's leader Kim Jong-un as a rocket man on a suicide mission. It will be seen from there how Kim Jong-un accepts those comments and could show a slight retaliation towards it, as President Trump, as I mentioned, did mock the man by calling him Rocket Man. So I do expect to see a retreat from current levels and look to the downside. I did mention that sterling will consolidate, and it's doing exactly that, even though overnight we did get comments from the Bank of England Governor Mark Carney. His speech sounded a little cautious at the IMF in Washington. Carney reiterated that interest rates might rise within the months, and the market is expecting to see a hike in November. However, he emphasized that any prospect in an increase in the bank rate would be a gradual pace and also to be likely limited to its extent. So my view is still, while we remain above 134.30.35, is a bullish move, and we could see a rise up towards 135.60 to 136.10.25 with an objective of 136.80. For those trading gold, do be a little bit cautious. I expect to see a rebound from the support of 1,299 and look up towards 12 to 18.22 and reassess from there. However, a break beneath 99 would dampen the bullish prospects and look back towards 80.82 as a target. And to wrap up with oil, I am still bullish, but still watching these indicators in case we see a turnaround. At the moment, I'm looking for a target of $52 a barrel, and while the support's intact at 49.5, I hold that bullish view. So that wraps up my daily video. Thank you very much for joining me, and I hope you have a wonderful day that's ahead of you.